If you are going to complain about an unlawful activity occurring at your company, here are two important things for you to know. My name is Lauren Goldberg. I'm an employment attorney in New York City. The first is that you should make that complaint in writing. Now, I hear from many employees that they'll think, okay, I'll complain, but I just won't put it in writing. I'll just make it oral. This way it won't be as direct. But the reality is your employer will already know that you complained. And so regardless of whether you put it in writing or not, you've already come forward to make the complaint. But by you putting it in writing, you've given yourself some protection in case your employer takes some negative action against you and retaliates against you for complaining. You having it in writing is going to be very beneficial if you do have to bring a retaliation claim. The second thing is if you are going to complain about an unlawful behavior activity going on, make sure that you are specific enough. So for example, if you are complaining about discrimination, it's not going to be sufficient for you just to say that you've received unfair treatment. That's not going to be sufficient for you complaining about discrimination. You would need to say something, and it doesn't have to be exactly these words, but that I've been treated differently or unfairly because of my race or my sex or my age or whatever the reason is for your being treated differently. So if you are going to complain, make sure that you do it in writing and be specific.